Shalom uvracha. This is Tikva. Welcome once again to the Hebrew portion of the Torah Club. The Parashah HaShavua portion for the week is Vayera, and he appeared. Let's begin on page 4 of Jot and Tittle. We notice at the top of the page, Vayera. The vav is added to the main root word, yareh, to add the word and. Many times in both biblical and modern Hebrew, when you see a vav connected to a word, it's going to mean and. We also have this vav addition on the next page, the third line down, in the scroll, where we see Vav He Vav Aleph. The word He Vav Aleph is the word who. It means he. When we add a vav to the beginning, it means and he. Notice that there is no space between the vav and the word. Even though we're adding the entire word and, it's only denoted with a vav next to the beginning of that word. Let's read from the scroll now, the first sentence of Parashat Vayera. It comes from Genesis 18, verse 1. Vayera elav Adonai, be'elonei Mamre, vehu yashev, patach ha'ohel, ki hum hayom. Let's go through it now, word by word. Our first word, the portion name, Vayera. Elav. Adonai, be'elonei, Mamre, vehu. Remember, it means and he. Vehu, yoshev, petach, ha'ohel. Kahum Hayom. The literal translation is, and he appeared to him, Adonai, by the tall trees of Mamre, and he was sitting at the opening of the tent in the heat of the day. Let's look now at some related words that have the same root as Vayera. The main root, Resh, Aleph, He, Ra'ah, means to see, to look at, or to behold. To be a witness means Ra'ah. You would add another word after the bet. It would mean that you would ra'ah, see, whatever it is that you saw. You would see into something, to be a witness. To be seen, to appear, pretend, or seem, is the Hebrew word nir'ah. An exhibition or a show is a ra'ava. Lahitraot. This is a word with which you should be familiar. This is how I've closed out every one of our Hebrew lessons so far. Lahitraot. It actually means to see you again, or until we see one another. You can see in the word the resh and the aleph, the root of Vayera. and he appeared. All of these words have to do with being seen. Lehitraot simply means to see you later. A mirror is a ra'i. Remember, when the schwa is used beneath a letter, you hardly pronounce the letter. Ra'i. The emphasis is going to be on the second syllable. Proof or evidence, ra'aa. And Mount Moriah, Har Moriah. We will conclude our study for today by reading the first sentence of the Parashah HaShavua, Vayera. I will go slowly, line by line, to give you a chance to repeat. Remember, when we see the Yud He Vav He, we replace the word Adonai. Vayera elav Adonai. Be'elonei Mamre. Vehu Yoshev Patach Ha'ohel. Kechom Hayom. Tov meod. Good work. And I will see you again next week. Lehitraot. Bye.